While working in Copper CRM, you need to make use of email templates because there are functions that rely on email templates, especially automation. I would like to show you how to set up email templates within Copper CRM. So it's quite easy. All we have to do is to go to this place which says settings. Once you click the settings button, you then scroll down to where there are personal preferences, and under that you click email settings and templates. So templates can easily be used, especially when we are automating and want to send a particular message over and over to new clients or to existing clients. Click where it says my templates next to preferences there. I'd already created a template of mine there, so we're going to use the information that we have from that template. So I'm simply going to copy that. So let's create a template. We first need to name it, and the subject of the email is we have not seen you in a while. So right now we're actually creating the template. So this is what will be seen as the header of the email by the client when it's sent. This is now the body of the email itself. So I'm just going to paste it there. Most of the times when you talk to your clients, you'd want to personalize to say, I want to greet them by the first name. So how do we make sure that each time it picks the name of the person? So what we do is we make use of merge fields, which are here at the bottom. So you place your cursor where you want to put a merge field, and then click where it says merge field. So you can put the first name, then put a space after first name, and then we can put the last name as well. And this is the rest of the email that they're going to receive. So after that, we then say save. Now, as you can see, we now have a template called follow-up. So whenever we want to reuse a template from any part of Copper CRM, we can pick any of these three templates and they work for us. So that's how we create email templates. The next part here is where you can share your template or create shared templates. These templates can be accessed by your colleagues because you might want to communicate with your clients using the same templates. So when they are created here, the same way we did with my templates, we create the same templates here and they can be accessed by our colleagues.